Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best shear bolts is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components for your snow blower, ensuring that your machine can effectively clear snow without sustaining damage to more expensive parts like the auger or drive system, making their selection and maintenance a vital part of winter preparedness for any homeowner. Number 5. MTD Craftsman Troy-Bilt Shear Bolts. Ensure your snow thrower runs smoothly with genuine replacement parts. These are designed to fit your specific model for optimal performance. Specifically engineered for two-stage snow thrower models from 2004 and earlier. Get the right fit for your older equipment. These parts are compatible with a range of trusted brands including Troy-Bilt, MTD, Yardman, and more. A versatile solution for your snow thrower needs. Each pack comes with 4 shear bolts and 4 hex nuts. Everything you need for a straightforward replacement. Easily replace your old or broken parts. These directly substitute OE numbers 710, 0890 and 710-0890A. Maintain the reliability of your snow thrower with these durable components. They are built to withstand tough winter conditions. What we like. This kit is designed for older snow blowers, specifically those manufactured in 2004 and prior. It's compatible with a wide range of brands including Troy-Bilt, MTD, Yardman, Yard Machines, Husky, and Bolins. If you have an older model from these brands and need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. These shear bolts are a perfect fit for my snow blower. They are made of high-quality material and seem very durable. I was impressed with how easy they were to install. Number 4. Ariens Deluxe Snow Blower Shear Bolts. Ensure your snow blower runs smoothly with genuine Ariens shear bolts. These are the official OEM replacement parts designed for optimal performance. This pack includes 3 shear bolts, part number 521000100, for your Ariens snow thrower. They are designed for the Deluxe and Platinum Pro models. Crafted for durability, these 5/16" bolts are built to withstand tough snow conditions. They provide a reliable connection for your machine's auger. Please note that these bolts are specifically for models manufactured after 2008. They are not compatible with older Deluxe or Pro units. As a genuine OEM Ariens part, this ensures a perfect fit and maintains the integrity of your snow blower. Trust in authentic parts for your Ariens equipment. What we like. This is a genuine Ariens OEM part, ensuring the best fit and performance for your Ariens snow blower. It's specifically for Deluxe and Pro models, but be aware it does not work with pre-2008 units of those lines. If you own a newer Deluxe or Pro Ariens snow blower and want guaranteed compatibility and quality, this is the one to get. What people say. These shear bolts are a perfect fit for my snow blower. They are made of high-quality material and seem very durable. I was able to replace the broken shear bolts quickly and easily with these. Number 3. Ariens 5/16 Professional Snow Blower Shear Bolts 3-pack. Keep your Ariens snow blower running smoothly with genuine OEM shear bolts. This pack includes 3 5/16" professional-grade bolts designed for optimal performance. These are the perfect replacement parts for your PR-2008 Deluxe and Pro models. Ensure your machine is always ready for the toughest snow. Crafted for durability, these shear bolts are built to withstand demanding conditions. They are designed to shear under stress, protecting your snow blower's drivetrain. This convenient 3-pack provides you with multiple replacements, so you're prepared when you need them most. Each part is individually packaged for easy identification. Trust in the quality of genuine Ariens parts. Part number 5100150 ensures you're getting the exact specifications needed for your snow blower. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for Ariens Deluxe and Pro models manufactured before 2008. It includes both the shear bolts and nuts needed for replacement. If you have an older Ariens Deluxe or Pro snow blower and are looking for the correct, specific replacement parts, this kit is your ideal solution. What people say. These shear bolts are a perfect fit for my snow blower and have held up well through heavy snow. The design of these bolts makes them easy to install and replace, saving me time and effort. I was impressed by the durability of these shear bolts. They didn't break even when hitting thicker ice chunks. Number 2. Husqvarna Shear Bolts and Nuts Kit 5807900401. Keep your snow blower running smoothly with this essential replacement kit. It includes durable shear bolts and nuts designed for optimal performance. This kit is specifically designed for two-stage snow blowers. Ensure your machine is ready to tackle any snow condition. It's a perfect fit for both Husqvarna and Poulan snow blowers. This ensures broad compatibility for many users. Replacing worn-out parts is straightforward with this kit. Get back to clearing snow quickly and efficiently. This pack comes with 6 shear bolts and nuts. You'll have spares on hand for future needs. This is the genuine replacement part, model number 5807900401. It's built to meet the high standards you expect. What we like. This is a 6-pack replacement kit for Husqvarna and Poulan 2-stage snowblowers made in 2008 and newer. It comes with both bolts and nuts, offering excellent value and ensuring you have spares on hand. If you own a compatible Husqvarna or Poulan model from 2008 or later and want a convenient, cost-effective solution, this 6-pack is perfect. What people say. These shear bolts are a perfect fit for my snow blower, making installation a breeze. The durability of these bolts is impressive. They've held up through heavy snow and ice without any issues. I was impressed by the quality of the material used in these shear bolts, ensuring a long lifespan. Number 1. Husqvarna Shear Bolts and Nuts Kit. Ensure your snow blower's longevity with this essential shear bolt and nut kit. Designed to protect vital components, it's a crucial part for any 2-stage model. These are OEM replacement parts, manufactured to exact specifications. They are built to fit your Husqvarna or Poulan snow blower perfectly, ensuring reliable performance. In the event of an auger jam or impact with a hard object, these bolts are designed to break. This sacrificial failure prevents damage to your gearbox and other expensive components. This kit includes 6 shear bolts and 6 nuts, providing a convenient replacement solution. Installation is straightforward, getting you back to clearing snow quickly. Specifically engineered for Husqvarna and Poulan 2-stage snow blowers, especially models from 2008 and newer. They are the perfect fit for maintaining optimal functionality. Keep your equipment running smoothly with these high-quality shear pins. They are essential for safe and effective snow removal, preventing unexpected breakdowns. What we like. This kit offers genuine OEM replacement shear bolts and nuts for Husqvarna and Poulan 2-stage snowblowers, 2008 and newer. The key feature here is its design to intentionally fail under stress, protecting your auger gearbox and other critical components from damage if the auger jams. If you prioritize protecting your snowblower's internal mechanics and want a high-quality, purpose-built replacement, this is the superior choice. What people say. These shear bolts are a perfect fit for my snow blower. They are made of high-quality material and seem very durable. I was impressed with how easily they installed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.